Now here we go with the Copycat Wendy's Frosty recipe this year, y'all. This year we're going to use the Sinagra chocolate milk. I went out to Amy, picked up the chocolate milk right from the dairy, y'all. Awesome young man, got it really going on and made this fresh yesterday. This chocolate milk was made yesterday. So we're going to add one thing of chocolate milk to the bowl. Look at that, y'all. I mean, this here was walking around the field yesterday morning, and now it's milk going into the ice cream. Now, y'all, we got 2 cans of condensed milk going in. Here's 1 can right here. Oh, get that in there. Look at that. Ooh! Right, and in can 2. Now we're going to hit it with 1 thing of that extra creamy Cool Whip. Ooh, going in. Now it's time to get all that mixed up good. Ooh, look at that. Pot right here, got the mixer in it. Go ahead and just pour that down in there. Ooh, chocolate ice cream today, boy. At Wendy's Frosty today, right here at Southern Boys. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna get this set down in the ice cream maker like that. All right, get that set on there like that. Get it locked down like this. Turn it on. Now let's get some ice. Go down in there nice and good. Get it packed tight. That's the first bowl right there. Then we're gonna hit it with some rock salt. Get that rock salt all dumped down in there like that, Mama T. All right, we're gonna get that ice all added down in there, Mama T, like that. Ooh, get it all good. Get it all down in there like this. All right, y'all, get some more of that rock salt around it like this. Hey, when this here stops turning, the Copycat Wendy's Frosty is made right here, y'all. We just don't get no better than this, y'all. The homemade Copycat Wendy's Frosty is done. We're gonna turn the switch off, flip the lid right here, take this out of the way. Now all this is salt on the top of this thing, so you don't want to get it in your ice cream. But I like doing it, I like picking it up, and setting it back down in there like that. Unscrew that top easy, get that out of the way. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, that's that Wendy's Frosty Copycat ice cream right there, homemade. Give me some of that with that jar spoon. Watch this. Ooh-wee. Let's see how we did. We used that Sinagra homemade chocolate milk just made yesterday, so let's see. Man, oh. Y'all, I'm telling you right now, y'all, it tastes just like a Wendy's Frosty. Don't get no better than that right there.